underneath, surprisingly alright. Say alright, not good, like, but I think back of that is away, but not all of it. Boot seam starting to go, but again, look up, which is actually alright as well. This one's just starting. Blowers and all that look good. Majority of the sills pretty good, right up until we get to this front floor support where the chassis legs completely rotted out. So get that repaired and the stiffener put in. Sort of similar situation on the other side, but not as far gone yet. Up into the leg, all looks pretty good there. Same here. I didn't notice last night that there's a wee hole up here. I'll get it sorted. Outer cells and all look pretty good. Ours very, very straight like. And around the other side, pretty straight there. Best bit about it is I have no sunroof, thank God, because every 106 and Saxo I've had, the sunroof has fucking leaked. Couple wee spots on the boot floor. Funny, last night I actually was going through the receipts and found a thing for black aerosol, so I don't see where that was going. Obviously you can see I'm missing a few very important things. If anybody has XSI seats or GTA seats, give me a shout because I will need them. Just prop this up very dodgily because it's not going into this. I just now realised it's because my hinge is broke, which I noticed this morning. There's obviously why that happened. Inner tubs, usual place to go. This one seems to be alright, minus a wee bit there. This one I noticed yesterday lifting the car's definitely going down there. It's more than likely under that AC's riding, but maybe not. I was told this thing ran, but lumpy. But when we went to lift it yesterday, it wouldn't even start. So I'm gonna put a bit of fresh petrol in and jump back up and see if she fires over. I have problem. It's the only key I got with it. Shit. Couple slaps of a hammer. Open that one up. In a mess as usual. That's interesting. Right, let's get this hooked up. Okay, look. Yeah. We 3-cylinder at the moment.